Welcome back. This is lesson 7 in this section of the training self-formatting options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can merge and unmerge cells. I am Amaka Ife Bunando, your instructor. The merge feature in Excel helps the user to join selected cells into one large cell. So I have 3 selected cells that I want to join to form one large cell. The merge feature in Excel will help me to achieve that. And you can find that on your home tab, right under the alignment section, you'll see a merge and center button. The merge and center merges the cell and centers the cell content. When you click on the drop-down arrow beside it, there are other options. We have the merge across. That's when you want to merge more than one row. The merge cells, this merge the cells but doesn't center it. And the unmerge cell, to unmerge cells that has already been merged. Let's explore the first option. I have selected this tree, B13, C13, and D13. I would like to merge it to form one cell and the cell content to be centered. I'll just go to the Home tab. Under the alignment section, I'll click on the merge and center. As we can see, this is the result. It merges the cell into one big cell. Now we formed a big cell and the cell content is centered. We can see that it's looking good and it works best if you want to create labels just like headings. It's a good feature to use. I'll undo this and let's explore the other option, which is selecting more than one row. So select this row, so we want to merge it across 3 cells. Watch and see what happens. I will select this option, merge across. Now you can see that each of the row is merged independently. So this row, the 3 cells are merged, while this row, the 3 cells are merged. The only difference is that it's not centered like the first option we selected. All right. So you can center it if you so desire to. You use the center alignment and center it. Right. You can also center this by using the center alignment. So you can see it's looking very, very good and presentable. So let's unmerge. Let's use the unmerge feature now to unmerge the cell. So I will unmerge this by using this unmerge cells, and you can also unmerge this one by using the unmerge cells. Unmerge cells. Now, I would like us to explore this option. Let me align it to the left, right. I'd like us to explore the last option, which is the merge cells. When you use this option, what it does is that it will merge the cell, but it won't center it like the first option, right? So this merges and center. This, you use it to merge more than one row. That is, when you select more than one row to merge, it will merge it independently, each row on its own. While this merges just a row, but it doesn't center it, while you use this to unmerge cells. Right, so I'll just center this now so you can see. So you've seen the different merge options and also how to unmerge cells. So this brings us to the end of this lesson, merge and unmerge cells. I'll see you in the next lesson.